It's Grammy Ramy. Today we're going to build with 4 colors: red, blue, green, and yellow. Let's go. Let's start with the color blue. We have 2 blue cars. Let's make 1 long car. Here's the driver. Look, he's bringing his dog along. And here's the family, a little girl and a little boy. They have a very long car. They're going on vacation. Here's their blue suitcase. Let's put it in the blue luggage rack. Here we go. Off to vacation in our long blue car. This car is yellow. It has black wheels. Here is a yellow trailer. We can hook it right onto the yellow car. Now we have 2 cars. Let's make a tractor. And here is the farmer with his yellow hat. He's going to drive the tractor. Let's see what he'll pull. Here's the cover. Now the farmer can pull his yellow wagon with his yellow tractor. Here we have 2 red cars. Let's put them together and make a long red car. Here's the drivers. Can you guess what this is going to be? Here's some lights. Look, here's a container of water. I wonder what they'll use that for. And here is a hose. Here is a ladder. We have a red fire engine with a ladder and a hose to put out fires. It's made with 2 red cars. Here we go. This is the color green, and we have 2 green cars. Let's put them together and make 1 long green car. Let's start with this car. This is light green. And here is the driver. This looks like it's going to be a big truck. Here's a great big green piece. I think it should go right here. Boy, this is going to be a big truck. What do you think this truck carries? Let's find out. These look like tanks of some sort. There's 1, 2. They must be oil tanks. Let's hook up the hose. We better put a flag on this vehicle so people know we have a wide load. It's a green flag. Here we go. Here comes our blue family van. It has 2 blue cars. Here comes the red fire truck. It has 2 red cars. And the farmer with the yellow tractor and trailer. And here comes our big green wide load oil truck. And look who's riding. It's Grammy Ramy saying bye kids. See you next time.